Succors of Israeli settlers tour Al-Aqsa complex. Israeli jail Palestinian journalists for incitements. Regime attacks kill 6 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Iran says to cooperate with EU to preserve nuke deal. Jamaat Islamiyah official shot dead in Lebanon. Yemen rebels claim attack on Saudi airport. Sudan's military council releases 3 rebel leaders. Algeria business tycoon arrested on graft charges. New Zealand to withdraw troops from Iraq by 2020. Thailand arrests 21 migrants from Myanmar. Pakistan ex-president Zardari arrested in graft case. Sri Lanka bans use of Arabic in street names.